Question 16. The graph of y equals fx is shown on the grid below. On the grid, draw the graph of y equals f of x minus 3. Okay. This is a bit early for a transformation of graphs question. Usually we'd expect it to be right at the end of the paper, but here's where they're including it. So there are rules for transformation of graphs, but the main one is, you can see here, the x minus 3 is inside the bracket. That means it is affecting x and not y. Okay? If it was f of x and then minus 3 afterwards, it will be affecting y and not x. Okay? So inside the bracket affects x and does the opposite of what you expect. Okay, meanwhile, outside the bracket, affects y and does exactly what you expect. Okay? So, if it was f of x minus 3 outside the bracket, it will be affecting y, and therefore it will be moving up or down, or getting bigger or smaller, depending on what we're doing to it. Here we're taking away 3, so it'll be moving down 3 spaces. Inside the bracket affects x, and it does the opposite of what you expect. So instead of taking away 3 and moving in this direction, we're actually going to add 3 and move in that direction. So each point, if I look at that point there, it's going to move 3 spaces over. Just checking the scale. This point moves to there. This point moves to here. This point moves to there. This point moves to there. And done. Okay, so it's moved over 3 spaces in the positive direction, because you'd expect it to be -3 moving that direction. Because it's inside the bracket, it does the opposite of what you expect.